Hello, this is Justin Coleman with Master Sales Funnels, and I was given 3 credits to try content at scale. Just to let you know, we are also affiliates for this, but I was contacted by Justin McGill, the CEO of Content at Scale, and he wanted us to give this a try. The program claims that you should be able to enter a keyword into it and get an entire blog post back. Now, this is the first time I've logged in to the software. You can see I have no project set up. I haven't used this before, so this is kind of an unboxing video of this software. So it looks like to get started, I'm going to go ahead and click Create a New Project. I'm going to make this for Master Sales Funnels, my main blog. Let's see. Monthly posts, your monthly content creation goal for this project. I'm just going to say 1 right now. Project context. So the shape to shape the content of all the keywords within the project, as well as call to action. So I assume this is basically the direction that we want the project to go. So let me see. Affiliate marketing is a viable option for anyone. Let's try that. I'm not sure if I was supposed to put like what exactly my call to action is here, so I'm just going to leave it at that for now, and we'll see what it does. So create project. What keywords do you want to rank for? Well, obviously affiliate marketing. That is going to be a hard one to rank for. So let's just say affiliate marketing. Whoops, it did not autofill there. Affiliate marketing for beginners 2023. Additional context, cover the different types of topics and talk about the solution as the best. So affiliate marketing is a viable option for anyone to start, and you can get started with my affiliate marketing course. And we're going to see what happens when we click create content. All right, keyword has been added. Check back in a few minutes. It looks like that used 1 credit just for that one post. So we will see what happens. So just waited a couple minutes here, and it looks like it's kind of filtering through. We got total posts 1, and then completion is 20%. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh that. Completion is 60%. So I'll check back again in a second when it is complete, but it seems to be writing it fairly quickly. So while we wait, we can go over kind of what the program is. So the CEO, Justin, said that it uses 3 AI engines, natural language processing, and semantic analysis algorithms, along with crawling Google and the top ranking sites in order to put together the entire post. So they say it outperforms 36 out of 40 freelancers that they've hired to write. All of this is pretty interesting. Still pretty interested to see what kind of results we get out of this by just entering a keyword and seeing what we get. So I thought that pending optimization was still an automated step that they were working on, but that kicks in the manual process. So I clicked in the articles there. We'll get to that in a second. For right now, on this page, we can see that there are 60 paragraphs that it gave us, 1,348 words, and 7 headings. There's no media right now. We can manually add images once we get in there, and you can further use this to optimize manually. So, clicking in, we see their suggested title, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, and then a colon 2023 guide. It gives you the slug to use for your URL. It gives you the meta description to use that is optimized for the keyword that we put in. And then again, those stats we saw on that other page. Over here, it looks like, I believe the brief is what they pulled from other websites, so you can check out what they have going on. Yeah, so you can see what they have going on if you want to do some further research. You can do a plagiarism scan if you request it. Not exactly sure if that uses a credit or not. It might. No, actually didn't. So let's see, 6%. Apparently there's a couple words, like sentences, that are kind of plagiarized, but it highlights those for you. So not really a large swath of things. So nothing I would be concerned about at 6%. For optimization, you can further optimize based on their checklist. So it wasn't able to do all of these on-page things automatically, but it gives you the information you need to go through here and add what you need where you need to in order to optimize it further. So that's pretty cool. I'm just going to scroll through here. You can read this by pausing the video. I'm not going to read all of it, but I'll scroll through all of it. It has an introduction at the top. It has a table of contents. One thing I did notice when I scrolled through earlier while I wasn't recording was this sentence is a little awkward. If that person refers someone to the company's website, that person makes a purchase, the affiliate marketing for beginners earns a commission. So it just kind of threw the keyword in there. So I wouldn't say this article is 100% ready to go, but most of this actually makes sense. That the red stuff is still there. Highlight off. Maybe we can't take the highlight off once you do that. But the red was just from the review for the plagiarism. But it's pretty cool. A lot of the sentences make sense. Like I said, that should just be the affiliate marketer instead of the actual keyword. It's possible that I didn't quite set it up right, or you just need to make sure that as you're going through, obviously you should read posts before you publish them anyways, so clean them up a little bit for where it does do some funky stuff like that. But all of these other sentences are pretty coherent. It is really cool. It added a table of contents, which I don't usually take the time to add in my content, but is good for longer articles. So if we look at our source code, we can see that it added an anchor link, they call it, and then on each of these headings, it added the ID for us. So once people click on those, it will automatically jump down for us. So that is a pretty cool feature there. I'm just going to start at the top and give a slow scroll if you want to pause and see how this did the rest of the way. But basically, it is going through. There's another weird. It put a 1 there and then a 1 there for the list of reasons you should start affiliate marketing. So again, just a scrub through. But it is pretty well laid out here. It's cool that they throw in a click to tweet. The functionality for that, I assume, is all in the source code. So you can click and it will, once the article is live, that will actually take somebody to a tweet and they can tweet this quote. As I was saying before, it scrubs the top ranking articles on Google and comes up with these headings and this wording to be able to add it to your website so you can try and compete with the others. Gives you some tips for successful affiliate marketing. It looks like 10 tips, and then it goes into common mistakes to avoid, which is pretty cool. It has these key takeaway boxes, which are also pretty neat because it kind of breaks up the text and, makes it flows a little better. And then it comes with a conclusion. Let's read the conclusion. If you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing, Master Sales Funnels, so it knows my website, offers a comprehensive course that covers everything from the basics to more advanced techniques. So I didn't come through and edit any of this. It knew my website, and based on what I added, it knew that I had a course available. So it's adding some wording to make it, I didn't tell it was a comprehensive course, but it's adding that. Everything from the basics to more advanced techniques. I didn't have that when we started this either. With our course, you'll learn how to start generating income through affiliate marketing and build a successful business. That's true. Not exactly sure how they how they figured that out to write in there, but that is pretty cool. Register today and get started on your journey to financial success. So that is actually a pretty good call to action based on what I just put in there. So again, just make sure you're optimizing based on this optimization list over here, and make sure you're checking for the few little quirky things. I'd say it's about 90% done, honestly, just by a quick skim through. There may be some other weird wording here or there, but it gives a pretty good overview of what to do, what not to do, and all of that. So yeah, just make sure you're editing this, but I'd say it's pretty decent to use. I was looking, like I said, we got the R credits for free to try this out since we are affiliates. If you want to add more credits, it was 1 credit to generate that article, so it looks like you're looking at $25 per blog post, and it kicked out 1,300 words. So that's actually pretty good. I pay my virtual assistant $20 for 1,500 words, but that was after a lot of training, and you have to manage somebody and hire somebody. So this is very comparable to a person actually writing it, and it is pretty viable copy. So there's going to be an affiliate link down in the comments below if you want to get started. And as an early affiliate in the program, they offered me a pretty cool bonus for you guys. So they are going to give you keyword research for a year if you sign up through the link below this video. So what that means is that they will do the keyword research for you, depending on the plan that you pick. It says if you choose a starter plan, you get research for 1 domain. Scaling plan will get 2 domains, and agency will get up to 3 domains. I don't know exactly how they're basing that. I assume if you say that you want 3 articles per month, they'll kick you out 3 keywords that are research that you have a chance to rank for, and they will give those to you. So as soon as you click the link and put your email in on the homepage, they'll take you through the onboarding, and you'll get these bonuses. They also wanted to give you a 20% boost in your credits. So for the starter plan, you'll get 24 posts instead of 20. Scaling, you'll get 60 instead of 50, and agency customers get 120 instead of 100. So a couple cool bonuses here to get you started. If you want to click on the affiliate link in the description and get started, you'll be able to claim these bonuses and get cranking out content. And that is all I have for now on content at scale. Let me know any questions you have down in the comments, or if you have any concerns about AI content coming into the world, let me know about that too. I'd love to hear from you in the comments.